couple hours from Japan.
Hi everyone, happy Sunday. I hope you're all well and enjoying your day so far with your loved ones. I'm changing my colors once again. I bought these gorgeous cushions from an online store in Turkey and I'm gonna incorporate with my colors. I will be sewing these glass beads to incorporate with my colors, and let's remind ourselves what the house looked like during Easter and in early spring. During Easter I went back to my original happy colors, and for early spring I was doing black, gold and teal, and I really love this combination. And if you remember, I had to come up with a lot of artwork for this decor because it was out of my comfort zone, and we are going to do exactly the same. I will be producing several artwork again in this video, and I hope you enjoy.
You know I'm on your side, and I feel like I'm running in circles around you.
This is the reality. This is how my living room was before I started decorating, and let me show you my cushion range. I bought the covers, as I said, from Turkey. Everything I bought in the cushion section online, and I really love this velvet cushions as well as blue and white tropical ones, and I managed to sew this one for my accent chair and it looks very pretty. What do you think? Before I continue, I need to come up with my artwork, so if you don't like me painting, skip this section please, otherwise enjoy.
Closer than before, hiding all my feelings, broken from the start, wishing never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. Closer than before.
I bought these decorative balls from Turkey. They have gigantic labels. I need to soak them up in order to remove the labels. I put an ocean view, tropical ocean view video on YouTube to put me in the mood for decorating my living room in tropical theme.
Darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note.
This was gifted to me many years ago. It's really beautiful velvet, and embroidery is done by hand by my husband's relatives, very talented 2 sisters, and I used it in the past and I stored it for a long time, and now because the colors go so well, I decided to use this one as a throw.
Wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling,
Lining is a different shade of blue and it coordinates perfectly with my cushion.
carpet too. Hey darling.
My my basket is black and I'm trying to disguise the black with blanket and cushion. I don't want to spend any money buying different one, and I do not want to spray paint either because I will still need black in the future. This mosaic vase is from TK Maxx before HomeSense started trading in UK, and I absolutely love it. This one is from B&M store. Originally it was white and I sprayed it silver. This bird is from either Marshalls or Home Goods, Florida.
Now we only get one life.
My floral is from Z Gallery. This is one of the artworks that I finished for the side of the TV. As you know, if you've been with me for a while, I always use a piece of artwork on that area.
With the wind blowing in your hair.
I will be using color coordinating items to make a vignette to go with the rest of the decor.
Wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
These vases are very heavy. I was nearly overweight when I was coming from Turkey, and I bought them from an online store. For my cozy corners, I'm using these small books, perfect for the sea table, and they are both from HomeSense. This one is a new purchase, also from HomeSense, and I really love the faces. I think they are brainwashing us. Wherever I look, I see faces. This one is from Home Goods, Florida, but the colors doesn't go in this theme, so instead of storing it back in the garage, I decided to change the florals to go with my theme. And now let's decorate my coffee table. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shule, and I absolutely love decorating my home and sharing what I know so you can have a beautiful home on a budget. Large wooden leaf is from Hobbycraft and it was only £2. It was wooden color and I painted white. And this one is from HomeSense. I bought it last year. It was a bit expensive, about £10. I think this year is even £13, and I don't intend to burn the candles. It's just for decoration. When it's very expensive and cute covering, I don't tend to use. This one is from Z Gallery. We have a friend who is living in Florida, Turkish friend. So every time he comes to Turkey, we meet there, and I ordered some stuff last year from Z Gallery and he kindly brought them to me. This one is a Christmas ornament, Christmas tree ornament, believe it or not. But as soon as I saw it during Christmas in HomeSense, I knew exactly where I was going to be using it. Didn't know my color scheme, but that's not a problem. I'm just going to quickly in the garden paint it in blue. Texture created beautiful effects when I use dry brushing technique, and now I'm going to be doing something at the bottom. These vases and floral from Turkey, everything I'm using in total less than £100. I bought them from a shop called Linens, and the floral are from online stores. This shade is from Home Bargains, I believe, and it was only $3.99. And now let's decorate my credenza.
Don't wanna sleep tonight.
This candle holder is from HomeSense. I decorated here and then I decided I did not like it because the sizes, the heights are very identical. I really don't like it. So you're going to see it in the tour what I replaced it with. Still a slow progress. I have some parts that decorated, some parts is still a mess. That's what happens when you are trying to decorate or make over in your living room. I cannot emphasize enough the power of artwork or wall art when it comes to your decorating. It really ties everything in, and I already hanged. You're going to see it in a minute, but before I show you the tour, this is the last corner that I'm going to decorate along with this table. And I have the coordinating runner for this table. This one is from a charity shop. It was only $4.50 and I knew it would be perfect on this table. Quickly spray painted in white, and it was a beautiful day and it dried very quickly. Lilacs are in full bloom in my garden. I decided to mimic it in my home, and let me spray all the textiles and all the floral before I show you. It absolutely smelled gorgeous for long hours, and this spray is from HomeSense.
We're beyond good. I've never been so ready. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell worry goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Fire breath and open sky.
And here's the reveal. I absolutely love it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section, please. Did I nail blue and white or fail? Really looking forward to reading your comments. I use glass beans for the floor of the lantern and it looks gorgeous. Really love this idea. In England it does not go dark until very late in the evening this time of the year, so I don't need any light source really. And the chain, marble chain you saw over the sea table is from HomeSense.
That it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in.
I added more floral in this vase.
We knew what we had become, defying our own emotion.
I added more floral that I bought from Turkey as well into this vase.
It's the notion that we were meant for something more.
Isn't this floral just gorgeous? Really love it, and it was very good value for money, less than £2. I moved the book, put it on the side, but now watching it, it is a bit cluttered in this area. Colors doesn't go well either. The green is out of place, so I'm going to remove it.
How can I be sure?
Really love this section, and the banana leaves are from HomeSense. I bought it during winter. Blue is a difficult color when it comes to floral arrangements. I don't know if I nailed it or failed it, but this is my attempt. Color coordinating: white, silver, pink and blue.
Pretending land was our home, we couldn't embrace the notion.
Another one of my artwork adorning this wall.
Something beautiful. something beautiful. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our home. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more. Something
The set of 4 artwork definitely fills the wall really nicely and also ties everything together. In case you didn't know, I also do commission art, so if you want an artwork specifically to your home, let me know in the comments below.